Welcome to this Bentley Systems training course on RAM Connection. In this video, you will learn how to provide different types of connections at the interface between gussets and branches in a truss gusset branch connection. We have already covered this topic for branches with hollow sections in another video. In this example, we will have other different types of sections for the 6 branches of this truss joint. We have an I section for the top branch and a T section for the bottom branch. Remaining branches have been assigned as angle, channel, double angle, and rod sections, so that we can have a look at all possible interfaces. Let's start by assigning a truss gusset branch connection to this joint. Let's go inside the connection pad for this joint. And we will scroll down to the interfaces section. And from here, we will first select the upper branch from the interfaces. As you can see, the current connector type is set as claw angles and web plates. We can scroll down to see the subset of parameters that we can set up for the claw angles and the web splice plates. The claw angles are connected to the gusset and the flange of the branch. And the web plates connect the gusset to the web of the branch. You can utilize both claw angles as well as web plates, or if you want, you can utilize only the claw angles or only the web plates. You can use equal as well as unequal angles for the claw angles. In case of unequal angles, you can position the long leg of the angle on the gusset. For the web splice, you can configure it as double plates or single plates. The other type of connector available for an I-section branch is that of a bolted-on web. This connector consists of a partially coped flange, which allows the branch to be directly bolted to the gusset. Let us change to this option. And it is better if we optimize the connection now that we have changed the end connector type for this interface. Now let's go to another interface, the lower branch, which has a T section. For this kind of a branch section, we can only have the connection type of claw angles and web plates. This is similar to the I-section branch, and we can use both the claw angles as well as web plates, or only one of them. But there is no option called the bolted-on web. Next, let's select our lower right branch, which has an angle section. For this kind of a section, you can either have a bolted or welded connection between the branch and the gusset. This also applies to branches with channels and double angles. Finally, let's have a look at our top right branch that has been assigned a round bar section. This will only allow you to have a bolted connection, and no welded connection to the gusset is available. Let's now save this connection and exit out of the connection pad. In this video, we worked with a truss gusset branch connection assigned to a truss joint. All the interfaces that we have created today will also be applicable to gusset connections in a vertical bracing joint. This completes our training on creating different connections at the interface between gussets and branches with I-sections, T-sections, channels, angles, and double angles in a truss gusset branch connection.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.